मेरा बाइक में साउंड ही क्या आता मेरे बाइक में नो रेविंग करते।
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
Hello my YouTube family, what's happening? Back again with another vlog. So today is going to be an interesting vlog. I was called up by few kids from the VNR VGIT college. They are having a college fest, and with regards to that they are having an auto show, and they requested me to come down and bring my bike for display just so that people could see the bike, and hopefully some kids get motivated to work hard and buy a super bike of their own.
बात तो सही है।
I'm also going to be joined by a few of my friends. I think Praveen is going to join me. He's getting his S1000R. He has just a couple of days ago, when I was dropping my bike for the general checkup, he was actually there and he just got his full system Acra installed on that bike. It is sounding sexy on the Instagram story that he had put up, but today I'm going to witness it in person. So I have my maps on here on my old phone. I'm going to follow that and meet up with him and see what's in store for today, and I'll take you guys along with me. I just hope there's not a lot of traffic. The college is a little far. It says 15 kilometers from my place. I'm not going to stay there for long, and maybe I'm going to catch up with Suju for lunch. Let's see. I don't really want to bore you guys with me maneuvering through traffic. So, oh yeah, before I forget, I finally decided on what aux lamps I'm going to get for my bike, and I just placed an order on those, and I've got this really nice amber cover for them. All I need to do is order hex scan. I've also ordered these really amazing looking bar raisers. So stay tuned for that. I'm also going to make a vlog on that, of me unboxing it and then going and getting that installed on my bike, and also my first impression after installing it. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it solving my problem, so that you guys can also navigate. So I'll see you guys directly at the venue. Fujo, you turned it on?
We might be able to.
Turned it on? Turn it on, no? I'll only do the honors. Where did the key thing go? Okay. I'm getting on. Bhaiya, mental it is. I thought it will be very mellow, but it's pretty loud.
Pretty loud, but थोड़ा RPM के बाद it will be mellow. I don't know.
It's taking too long to heat up.
Same time.
I am hot, this is hot, that's why. Huge. No revving? Okay. So, class is there? Huh?
You have to hear the quick shift.
Pat 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 pat.
Nahi, pat.
Huh?
The tune going.
Oh, that is there. I wrote the V4 na, that is fat full.
अभी फट नहीं आएगा क्योंकि डाइनो नहीं किया.
That guy is there, no? He's still at Varun's.
He's there now.
Brother, can you move this further?
कौन सा?
You want to move both?
Yeah, both of them.
Guys, కొంచెం వెనక వెళ్ళి.
to showbazi, we'll leave just like that. I will do showbazi now.
चीटिंग करता है तू.
मेरा बाइक में साउंड ही क्या आता मेरे बाइक में. नो रेविंग करते.
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर.
It's hurting my feelings. अरे Gen 2000R came, I like it. Oh, there's a ZX4R also. हाँ, hi.
అదే సీజన్ లో బ్లాగ్
अच्छा.
ఎప్పుడు వచ్చారన్నా.
45 minutes.
అండ్ నేను మిస్ అయ్యాను చూస్తే బైక్ తెచ్చినట్టు.
अच्छा.
హౌ ఆర్ యు అన్న.
Good. How are you?
ఫైన్.
What stream are you studying?
ఐఎమ్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్.
Electronics, nice.
ఓకే అన్న.
चलो, bye. Praveen, we'll push us, Srujan will leach. So just finished this auto show at BNR. It was a different experience. A lot of cars and bikes. Most of them were GTs and Continentals and loud people basically tuning their bikes and cars and revving it over there. I don't really have a personal problem with it, but I feel revving and creating one noise pollution of that sort is something that we should not promote. And this was an initiative by the students to host and collect all auto enthusiasts in one place, which is good. But I personally feel they could have gone that extra step and had some information sharing or awareness spreading about importance of gear and all of that. No issues. The kids over there, they came and spoke and they told that this is the first time they were hosting it, and they were very positively taking our feedback, if you can say. So that was good, a different experience. A lot of people were coming, checking out our bikes and all of that. Reminded me of my college days when I would get that sparkle in my eyes every time I would look at all these big super bikes and all of that. So that's that. But one other thing that I really want to mention is this area, this Bachupalli, and I'm really bad with this side of the city routes, but this area roads are super bad. Lot of big vehicle movement and a lot of big vehicles coming from the wrong side, and there are sudden road closures without much gap before they shut. So there's no warning signs and all of that. So what that is doing is, imagine you're trying to overtake someone and suddenly you see the lane closed, and within that 1.5 active lane there's a big vehicle approaching you from the wrong side. It's really bad. And I believe this somewhere was the area where when we were leaving for IBW, a friend of mine, he had a crash. We weren't speeding or anything. It was all fault of a big vehicle in front of him which suddenly braked and changed lanes. And in that kind of dark lighting, he couldn't even see the road getting split into a service road. There's a very thin and small divider. Now, he's doing fine. He couldn't come along with us on IBW, but that's a discussion for later. But guys, if any of you are riding or driving their car in this area, then ride very, very, very slow. If you are on a bike, then gear up and ride. I know I'm not wearing my gloves because the gloves that I was using for the Goa trip have actually hurt my palm, so I'm actually going to go pick up new gloves this week, and then I will be back to riding with full safety. So that's my 2 cents on the roads and the traffic over here and my experience at the college. Now I'm heading for lunch with a few of my friends. So we are finally about to reach Jubilee Hills Conso. Lot of traffic, bikes are heating up like crazy. Mine is still manageable. My friend, he's on the 1000RR. He can start feeling the heat like anything. I mean, when we are doing decent speed now, 40-50 on the road, we are feeling cool breeze. But if we are stagnant, there's a lot of heat plus too much pollution. I feel like I need to go home and have a shower again. I'm super hungry. So let's see what we have. Almost there. Yes. Let's go. Special parking for the expensive bikes so that nobody touches me.